Good morning, viewer. Behind the show is a breaking news. Researchers at Cornell University have leveled the intense volcanic activity on Jupiter's moon Io to advance our understanding of tidal heating, a crucial factor in the formation and evolution of planets. But analyzing data from NASA's Juno spacecraft, the team observed that the peculiar placement of volcanoes at LOS poles rather than at the equator might play a significant role in the moon's internal heat regulation. This study sheds light on the dynamic interactions within Io and offers insights into potential subsurface oceans on other moons driven by similar heating mechanism. Cornell University astronomers have explored tidal heating, a fundamental process in planetary formation and evolution, by examining the hellish volcanic landscape of Jupiter's moon Io, the most volcanically active body in our solar system. Tidal heating plays an important role in the heating and orbital evolution of celestial bodies, said Alex Hayes, professor of astronomy. It provides the warmth necessary to form and sustain subsurface oceans in the moons around giant planets like Jupiter and Saturn. Studying the inhospitable landscape of Io's volcanoes actually is for us science to look for life, said lead author Madeline Patini, a doctoral student in astronomy. By examining flyby data from the NASA spacecraft Juno, the astronomers found that Io has active volcanoes at its poles that may help to regulate tidal heating, which causes friction in its magma interior. The research was published on September 7 in Geophysical Research Letter. The gravity from Jupiter is incredibly strong, Peyton said, considering the gravitational interactions with the large planets' other moons, to ends up getting buoyed, constantly stretched and scrunched up with their tidal deformation. It creates a lot of internal heat within the moon. Peyton found a surprising number of active volcanoes at Io's poles as opposed to the more common equatorial region. The interior liquid water ocean in the city moons may be kept liquefied by tidal heating, Peyton said. In the north, a cluster of 4 volcanoes, Assis Jal, Tontuohe, one unnamed, and an independent one named Loki, were highly active and persistent with a long history of space mission and ground-based observation. A southern group, the volcanoes Kanihekali, Uta and Laki Oi, demonstrate strong activity. Behind this exclusive report.